One is me, Jacksepticeye. I'm not actually Jacksepticeye. So in this video, I'm gonna rate some maps. First is Hello House. Hello House is just a normal classic map. Next is Classroom. This can make everyone small. Just see. Shut up. Next is Office. That's just the Office. This is Base 01. This is just a cool one. Next is Racetrack 3. I don't know what to say, but this is a race. Okay, never mind. Next is Forts. What am I even saying? Forts is a battle royal teams. Wait, I think it's capture. I don't know what's that. Okay, next is empty grass. Empty to grass. That's just nothing. This is space 2. This is have a fat giant portal. Next is base 01 full. This is just the full version. I mean full one. Next is the bank. I actually just rob a bank. Just don't tell anybody. Okay, next is town 3F. Oh, okay, this is everyone's favorite maps. It has meat chicken. It has meat chicken. It has meat chicken. Okay, next is desert town 2. That's it. Next is town 3. Just town 3F but smaller. Next is race 2. It's just a racing. Okay, next is empty. Just that's the same thing as the grass. Next, race track 1. It's just a race again. Next is Proto. Have an Easter egg, have like that penguin inside the jar, and it's outside. You can't. The jar is white. So this is lava. I don't know. This is a house. This one make us small again. I don't want to show it because I don't want to be small again. Next is town. Town 3F. Okay, next is dust. Okay, never mind. This is grass day night. Okay, next is island. Everybody, this is I, the great apple. Okay, apple, get out of my show. Dang it. Next is desert town. It's literally just the same thing as this. Next, this is Hello House Z. Have a bunch of creepy one. Have like the stepfathers. I literally hate that. Have that butcher guy. Have coins. Have the Santa and snowman always killing you. Next is RVP. Whatever that thing, crack 1. Okay, next farm 2. This is just a farm. This is the dungeon. All of us just died there. Okay, next is this one again. I don't just read it. RVP track 2. Next is Misty Town. I'm not afraid of that because I have like more. Next is, you already know. This is Dragon Dude. Worst map. Next is Big House. This one have the tent and yeah. This is a warehouse. Next, prison. Next, space race. Next is military base 2. This is just a military. This is the grid race. I don't know what even that is. That's just a race. This is Egypt. This is town 4. There's a full one. Yeah. This is Magic Forest. Welcome to my Magic Forest. This is RVP Track 4. It's cool. This is Calahouse Snow. Have a penguin outside there. This is a big farm. Yeah. This is where the entity, I guess, SCP. This is a pirate island. My booty is Apple. I already said get out from my. Okay. I did it. Okay. This is town 2F. Yeah. This is a port base. Have an Easter egg is a car inside. Yep. This is town 6. I don't care even that. This is empty 2. This is just cool. I like it. I don't care with that. This is Western. Yeah. Cowboy. This is supermarket. I love this because this is that one. This is town 3F RTL. Now let's rate this map. 6 out of 10. Classroom 9 out of 10. 7 out of 10. 1000 out of 10. Okay, I was kidding. 3 out of 10. Racetrack 3. 0. Because I don't like racing. Because it's okay. 10 out of 10. Empty 2 grass. 10 out of 10 because it's used for like emptiness where we can build. This is space 2. 10. 9 out of 10. Base 0, 1 full. Oh, okay. This one I also want to mention. This is also have a wing. Yeah. Secret wing. This one is 8 out of 10. Bank 11 out of 10 because I like to yeah. Town 3 5. Yeah. Town 3F 1 million out of 10. Okay, this is Desert Town 2 0. Town 3 1000 out of 10. Race 2 0. Empty nothing 0. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Racetrack 2 2. Yeah. Proto 6. Lava 5 because I don't like dying. This is house. I guess 18. Yeah. A town 8. Dust. I think gonna be 19 out of 10. Grass day night 0 because I don't like the darkness. Island. My booties. I could give this a 9 out of 10. Yeah, that was thinking. That was I thinking for. And now get out from my show. Okay, I have enough of doing this. Okay, there's a town 3 0. I'm in 3. Yeah. Calahousey 100. Not gonna lie. Okay, RVP track 1 0. Farm 2 a 5. Dungeons 5. Same 5. Misty Town 5 0. Big House 1000. Warehouse I guess 9 T. Yeah. Prison 1 9 9. No, I'm too scared of this. So 9 9. End up atomic ruins. Okay, 0. It's too dark. and people always killing me. Space Race Series 1. Military Base 2. Hey, Cactus from Elevore. Can you rate this? Sure. 100. Thanks. So Race. I guess a 3. Egypt. That's India. A 4. Town 4. A 4 also. Magic Forest. Welcome to my Magic Forest. I give this 8 out of 10. Thanks. 5. Hello House. No. 1000. Because it's almost gonna be December. Big Farm. 1000. I don't want to say. It's Town 3 F2. This is Pirate Islands. I give this a 2. Town 2 F 11. Port Base a 0. Town 6. I guess a 6. 2 empty 2 because it's empty and it's dark and I don't like dark, so I give it a 2. Western 1000. Supermarket 1000. This is just a copy, but it's not a copy, but it's just make it even uglier. But I will give this a 9000. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.